Sujit?
Oil in water analyzer. Existing nozzles are there, and we are using those nozzles to replace oil in water analyzer.
Okay.
Sir, up to nozzle is hard surface. Now after that instrument only replacing. So is it applicable, sir, here?
Yeah. See, you are working on the same tank, right? So keep it, but it should not be any issue because you are working.
An existing
So,
one only.
see, Chairman, source is MOT storage tank and buffer tank for AIT analyzers replacement, right? That is what
MPS buffer tank, MOT
Yes.
storage tanks. No, so MOT storage. Okay.
Okay, tell me, Sudeep.
MOT storage tanks and MPS buffer tanks.
Yeah.
MPS, main pumping station.
Yeah.
MPS buffer tanks, oil in water analyzer replacement.
Yeah.
Oil
in water.
In water. Replacement.
Yeah. So the threat is hot surface, exposure to hot surface during construction, right?
Yes.
Yeah, only during construction, yes.
And maintenance.
Yes.
So burn injury during construction and maintenance. I will put safety 3, burn injury.
3, yeah. Remaining are not applicable, okay.
Limitation. Likelihood you can put C. So are you going to provide the insulation, hot insulation?
No.
Or warning bolt?
No.
No, because this
PP.
is there the
PP, existing safety measures.
Right.
Construction HSC plan, PPE, you can put everything. TRA, you can put task risk assessment.
And WPS. TRA, right?
Yeah.
TRA you're saying?
Yeah. Task risk assessment and okay.
WPS.
That's it.
And then you have first aid injury, first aid. And medical.
Yeah.
Medical and first aid. Okay. And emergency response plan, the existing ARP.
Yeah.
I think they are safe here.
That's okay. That's fine.
Yeah. So no process equipment more than 150.
But
no
can
engine.
you do the mitigated risk also? This is unmitigated. Can you do it for mitigated?
Mitigated maybe 3 only, 3B you can
3B you can take it.
Yeah, even on the top also then we have to do.
Yeah, you can put
this is
4B.
4B or A. 4B is okay, right?
4B is medium risk, right? It's fine.
Yeah, 4B. Correct. Good guys, so hot surface we have seen. Hot fluid, probably we can put the same thing, right?
Same thing, refer to what is that cause, you can put it.
Yeah, put the same thing. And cold fluid, there is no cold fluid in this scope, so it's not applicable. Cold surface, cold fluid, both are not applicable. Open flame, there is no heater